Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended June 14, 2024. Nifty 50 inched up slowly during the week to close higher by 0.75%. The BSE Midcap and Smallcap indices witnessed a lot of action, with both the two indices ending higher by 4.4% and 5% respectively. The BSE Smallcap index is now up by 11% in the last 30 days. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Realty, Nifty Media and BSE Consumer Durables indices saw sharp rallies to end the week higher by more than 4%. Among sectoral losers, the BSE IT index ended lower by 1.6%, while the Nifty FMCG index fell 1.3% during the week. FII activity has been mixed since the election results were announced. They were net buyers of Rs 2,000 crores of equities in cash during the week. DIIs continued to be net buyers with net purchases of Rs 6,300 crores during the week. However, DII activity was muted in the last 3 trading days of the week. In top 5 weekly Nifty 50 gainers, Shriram Finance shares saw the highest upsurge by 9.43%, followed by Ultratech Cement, which increased by 7.35%. On the flip side, the biggest weekly loser has been Hindustan Unilever Limited, which declined by 3.80%. Shares of Infosys and Tata Consumer Products saw a decline of 2.91 and 2.21%. This week saw the IPO of Ixigo, which was oversubscribed by 98 times. Under listings, Chronox Lab Science got listed on 10th June 2024 with a listing premium of 21%. Among select market movers, shares of Oracle Financial rallied 13% after its parent reported strong earnings. Shares of Praj Industries rose by almost 18% on expectations of boost from ethanol blending. Among select losers, shares of IRB Infrastructure fell 13% during the week after a large block deal. Share of PNC Infra fell 10% after CBI arrested 4 employees in a bribery case. This week, the fourth quarter earnings of GoDigit were declared. The company saw a 104% year-on-year increase in net profit and a 40% increase in revenue. SEBI has proposed tighter rules on trading in individual stock derivatives. New rules will include criteria on liquidity in the cash market in the stock, as well as maximum limits on derivatives contracts. The rise of AI is resulting in enormous rise in market value of US tech majors. The combined market capitalization of Microsoft and Apple has overtaken the total market capitalization of the 3,851 listed companies on the BSE. India's mutual fund assets rose to 58.6 lakh crore rupees, or about $701 billion, in May, inching closer to adding 10 lakh crore rupees in less than a year. The monthly net inflows through SIPs have hit another record in May at Rs 20,904 crore, 11th successive month of a new high. In key macroeconomic news, the US FOMC kept its key benchmark rates unchanged. The Fed governors now project 1 rate cut in the calendar year 2024, down from 3 rate cuts projected in March. The US headline and core inflation readings came in softer than expected. The core CPI inflation increased by 0.2% month-on-month in May, compared to an estimate of a 0.3% rise. On a year-on-year basis, core CPI was at 3.4% compared to 3.6% in April. The UK unemployment rate increased to 4.4% compared to 4.2% in the 3 months till March. The US markets continued their rally to reach new highs. The Nasdaq Composite was higher by 3.5% this week and is up 7.1% over the last 30 days. In this section, we discuss select research reports published by our research teams. The same can be accessed on our website. Our institutional team expects the volatility in L&T Technology Services to persist, and we maintain reduced rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 4,270 per share. Our retail research team has assigned a base case fair value of Rs 540 per share for Suprajit Engineering. Our team expects the company to report an 18% earnings CAGR over the next 2 years. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. The securities discussed in the presentation were for information and educational purposes only. Thank you.